New this morning, we're getting a clearer look at the economic impact of domestic violence. 12 News' Mallory Anderson joins us live from the Baird Center. And Mallory, we know that this is an issue that unfortunately impacts so many people, and that was really the focus of a summit that just wrapped up where you are.
Yeah, Jaron, domestic violence has long-lasting ripple effects, affecting not only the victims of the abuse, but it also trickles down to everyone through that economic impact. That was the point of today's meeting, was to highlight how this affects us all and how even if you think you don't relate to domestic violence, you can still help make a change. Let's take a look at those numbers. Every year, Milwaukee County accrues $116 million in unintended costs. For the state, it's $653 million. Those unintended costs of domestic violence include things like loss of life, loss of work productivity, court fees, probation, physical and mental medical care. The list goes on. Today's event was put on by Sojourner Family Peace Center, which offers resources and a shelter to survivors. The organization's president says that amount of money is likely even higher. She wants companies to think about how they can intentionally reinvest that money differently.
We're trying to elevate the connection between violence in the home, family violence, and the economy. When we built the Peace Center years ago, we wanted to be a thought leader. We wanted to advance conversations around public safety, education, and the economy. It takes a tremendous toll on us financially.
Policing is another area of unintended cost, which was on display just 24 hours ago in West Allis. Right now, 5 West Allis police officers are on administrative leave after shooting and killing a man they say was armed with knives. Police responded to this house after a call of family trouble. Court records show the suspect had just been served a restraining order 3 days ago. These confrontations with police sometimes tragically cost people their lives and always cost the county money. Those here today say prevention is key.
We're all paying for this one way or the other. We're paying for this in the services that are provided in the community. And if we think about an arrest and a prosecution as a trip to the emergency room from a healthcare standpoint, we have to be better as a community at trying to prevent the occurrences of this type of behavior before the police need to get involved.
So we do want to remind anyone watching that help is always available for people 24/7. Sojourner Family Peace Center says they are standing by, ready to assist anyone locally. You also can always call the National Domestic Violence Hotline. That number for you is 800-799-7233.
All right, Mallory Anderson reporting live for us this morning from the Baird Center in downtown Milwaukee. Mallory, thank you.